do you think a lean away is?
Oh, well, it's from popularized by Lion King. A lean away, a lean away, a lean away, a lean away. Here's the dog, the mighty dog, sleeps tonight.
I love that instead of telling me what it means, you just put it in another sentence.
I don't need to say any more.
The whole movie's like that.
Whoa, buddy!
There's like rich people houses and shit. Yeah, it's... What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Holy shit!
Fuck you!
Last days of the sunset superstar.
Fuck are we doing, you stupid fucking idiot, bro? Are we actually...
That's 5 burgers.
Why?
Automatic though.
Yep.
I'll try not to slam on the fucking brakes with my left foot.
Bye! Jesus Christ.
Just go in.
I have an art show up right now that I have to... Okay, are you just gonna... Okay. Are you honking? You son of a bitch!
What is wrong with this game?
What the hell was that?
I don't get it.
Yesterday afternoon around 12 p.m. I've never had a miscarriage before, and this baby was so wishful, so fresh, and I'm sobbing right now. So I apologize in advance if it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. My husband turned 27 yesterday. I'm a 26-year-old woman, and I was pregnant with mine and my husband's second child. Yesterday, I was 8 weeks.
Jesus Christ, man. What is this?
I've already pre-ordered that DLC, I'm pretty sure. You know, I'm glad you didn't listen to me and you Googled the one thing you always Google, Mark. I appreciate the commitment. Wait, are you ready? Ready as I'm going to be. It's a question we don't hear often enough.
Somebody coming down the fucking road again!
I know, that's the second one I've seen today.
Me too, I watched the first one that you saw. Buddy, you came all the way down the road.
You notice how you don't have a light?
Yeah, really.
Yeah. Or flat root beer. It tastes more like
Yeah,
flat
it tastes like flat root beer. It's just funny because it's still carbonated.
Yeah.
It's just not. It's not super like.
Oh gosh.
Jesus.
Christ, mail.
Mail truck.
Sat with blood all over me and rocks in my kneecaps. At least I didn't break my ankle like Tom. Had 2 chunks gone from my palm. Walked back to where the party was.
The fuck?
Girl hug covered in blood. Smoke in the sky.
I don't get a lot of descriptions for this. Or I think your first time, you have got this. You are, this one was built for you.
What the hell are you doing? Not you, buddy! Jesus Christ! The double fake out.
Yeah.
Because I first of all just love the idea of doing like that fake out thing where like you think they're gonna say one thing and they say. Okay. What was that about, dude? Fuck that guy. Oh my god.
I mean, there's probably not like one person who's credited with inventing sushi, I guess. That's not how that.
Oh, yep, there is. Hanaya Yohei. I got the ghost of Hanaya Yohei. That would have been even better.
Hanaya Yohei. I'd go there. Listen.